How to make fried dumplings my way. Crispy. There you start off with your sieve of flour, and to each sieve of flour you have a teaspoon of baking powder, and you sieve that flour, add a quarter teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of sugar, and a tablespoon of fine cornmeal, not coarse. Your hands are going to get dirty now. Just dig in. Okay, now you are going to make a well in the center of the flour. Add a little water, little by little, not a lot. Then you start to combine the water, the flour. Repeat the process. Add water little by little and knead and knead. It's a lot of kneading and it's very messy. I must tell you, making dumplings is quite messy. So if you're the type that does not like to get your hands dirty, this is not for you. And we're almost there. Knead and knead. Look at it there now. You see it's not too soft and not too firm either, just malleable. And you're going to continue to knead and knead. Wipe it from the sides of the bowl, the flour, and then use that part of your palm along with your wrist, and you're gonna press into the flour, kneading it, kneading with your wrist and your palm. All right, roll and press and roll and press. And then you're going to divide the dough into two parts. And then you're trying again to get it a little softer. And you make a little belt with it there. And you continue to press. And then you're going to take off the piece that you want to round up to fry. You decide on the size of the dumpling you want. And then you're going to be rolling it in your palms, roll it in the palms of your hand, and use your finger to press, and you're going to turn it like it's a cartwheel and press and press and press until you get it to that desired thinness. And now you're going to add your oil to your frying pan, more than enough, and then you're going to do the test there with a little bit of flour dough. As long as it starts to rise, you know that the oil is hot enough. It's going to be on medium. And then you're going to put the dumplings in. Not too much at one time, because you want to give it the space that's needed to rise and to turn properly. See, it's puffing up there. And then you're going to turn. I like to turn my dumplings twice. So that's the first turn. And then you're going to flip it again. I like it golden brown, nice, crispy and golden brown. And then you just remove it from the pot. Have your plate or container ready with your paper towels to soak up the excess oil. And there you have it, a lovely crispy dumpling that remains fresh for a few hours after making it. And there I'm going to show you how it looks. It's very hot. Open, yes, look at it. It's fully fried. I'm going to show you what the inside looks like. Right, so it's crispy and nice. You can have it with your liver, your sausage, your kidney, ackee and saltfish, susumba and ackee and saltfish, whatever.
Thank you for watching.